Hey guys, welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today's video, some beer is involved. It's gonna be delicious. We're making some nacho cheese with Corona beer. So I got cream cheese and I got some Mexican mix that is for a color and melts great. Some nacho chips and a Corona. First, I'm gonna add half of the cream cheese to a saucepan. I'm making this just for one, so if you're making it for a bigger company, you can add the whole cream cheese. And I'm adding 1 cup of the Mexican cheese mix. I think this has like cheddar and jack and something else. And on low heat, we're gonna start melting it all together. It has to start melting, otherwise the cream cheese is not going to mix and you just have a very hard time breaking it down. So let it all melt. It will take about 1.5 minutes, maybe 2. Once it starts melting, it will become creamy and it's much easier to work with. If you feel that you need a little more cheese for coloring, feel free to add to it. For me, this was enough. And I'm gonna add beer. I'm gonna add 2 shots of beer, so it's like 2 ounces of beer, and stir it well. It's gonna be wet, so we're gonna have to leave it on here for a couple of minutes for the liquid to evaporate. See those bubbles? That's all the beer evaporating. The taste is still gonna be there, but it's gonna be more creamy instead of wet like you've seen at first. And here, our trio is ready. I added some jalapenos, some cute orange cherry tomatoes, and my dip is ready to serve. Movie night, game night, whatever. This is a perfect snack. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and come back next time. Bon appetit!